Mark it down. Let me say Mark gone in bed. Mark Brown, the artist. Yeah, David. Fire Mark. Mark in a town. Fire Mark.
Fire man.
There man. My father and son give me some things to give. You say it's a blind. Oh,
That is a mad me.
yeah. Yeah, give me some fruits to give.
Yeah man. Yes man, bless.
Some this that kind of fruits is it.
Yeah, run through melon right now.
That is it man. So everything
Yes,
gone smooth.
Yeah man.
So light up, you know, see you man. Yeah man, him there and up it.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Through the iron, I used to
Light
smoke
and
right,
him
you
no
know?
work at night and up it.
Yeah.
Yeah man, they don't know. Big up.
Yeah man. Blessing
Right,
and Mackie.
you know, some Pete's father and son have a mic, give Mark yesterday for give me because I couldn't reach Mark. So, you don't know. Lavalier
I'm going to put this
mic.
iPhone thing, you know?
Yeah, lavalier microphone, my wireless. Hook up for the iPhone, you don't know.
And it's nice, because
Or iPhone,
some of the ear muff.
or Type
Wind
C.
muff. See this?
Okay.
Carry God in a breeze.
Yeah man, yeah, can go for the seaside and all. And
Yeah.
with the
You can't hear
thing.
what you tell seafood say, no?
You see, you go on, yeah? The video I got, you go on.
Yeah.
So you don't know, big up, you know.
Yeah, Mackie, look at it,
Alright,
yeah?
big up. Have a great night, sir.
Yeah, go down and go back.
That me I go do, yeah.
Yeah, because it's hard to get your taxi also.
Yeah, I'll catch one go down.
Yeah.
This is go. Cool.
Alright, come on, yeah?
True.
Bless.
Blessed day, my peeps. I'm here again. Welcome to the channel, Mackie and Cabo Adventures. Yes, so today we're gonna fix a pipe right here, you know, from Regin. You don't know, there, man. And something to say to them, bro. Mark there, you know.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
Yeah, man. Mark Brown, the artist,
man.
you know.
See?
Go over and subscribe to him channel here, my peeps. He do a lot of portrait, a lot of nice things. Like if you have a picture, you can send it to him, and he draw you and ship it to you at a special cost, you know.
It all depends.
Not too expensive, you know.
All depends on what type of picture you want. If it's a full body picture, that one going to cost you more than a facial picture. And the full body range from 600 US upwards. Facial 150, 200 upwards.
Alright. So that is it, peeps. So go over to Mark Brown page and MARC Brown artist. Yeah man, you'll see all the artwork of all the YouTubers that he has done before, okay? So big up on yourself and thanks, my peeps. Thanks for the 1,000, the 1K subscribers. Big up, you know, one love, you know what I'm saying? That hard work begins right now, you know?
Yeah, man.
So we're gonna put in the hard work starting from now. So I'm gonna fix a pipe here for him. And that is it, man. Done plumber today. Stay tuned. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That is it.
And one brother to another.
Yeah, man.
Helping each other. Each one help one. That is it. Yes, so right here we have this pipe to fix. This bursts off for this. And that bursts off over here from that T. And if we run to that tank up there. So you know, so watch the process. And so right here we have this lock off to replace this. Two of them I have still. The next one at the front now this two. I have some couple. I have this just in case this is not good enough. We have bend and elbows, and I have this T right down there. Yeah man, so stay tuned and watch what's going on here. That is it. Which part? Oh, right, okay, yeah man, you go fix that too. So pull out them wire with the pipe, brace it. Yeah man. piece cut off level, you know? So this that giant naga sit down level. So it's the sit down level on this inside. So I will cut this slant. I will cut it off. Yeah man. So now we just wipe off this and tangic it up. Yeah man, so when some the trash them inside the pieces of plastic, yeah, knock it out, you know? Turn it down. Alright. The peeps, so I tangic easy well. You know, so this can use
Wet or dry?
Wet or dry. So I'm just have a move fast now, pieces. Trouble. Catch it up. A little more. Cover back that. Put on this. Oh, I'm gonna put on this. Don't turn it in a piece, just hold it. And that is that, you know. Yeah. Then we're gonna move to down here so now, you know. Alright.
If you care there. Yeah.
So we're gonna replace this T right here if you join up with this main and that one. So I'll cut off the finger right here so it goes straight. So it's gonna be like this. Alright, do it. Yeah, join up like this. Clean it off, you know, piece so it's a tangent now the hole. Alright. So go here the mask because this thing is toxic. Now I have to measure it straight. Piece. Yeah. To them I turn certified plumber. Alright, so next, this one is not straight. Not straight, so I'm gonna straighten it. If it don't straighten, it have a leak. Full up of sand. Cut off this metal, let me just take off everything and stuff. This stuff I'll cut off too. Let's see if it can reach. You have a piece of pipe, yeah man, I just take off all of them things.
Yeah.
I don't want too much sun in it. Oh, wash off.
Long time I think then. Long time it bursts off.
So I don't have a piece, just replace it off. I have an idea. And just plug it in and make it wash off this before I put it on. So now, I'm two in here. It takes so long. the stage now. We have to tie up back this. I use the wire. Tie up back this, you know. One piece more for this one.
Yeah. I can't find this for now stuff and stuff.
I feel like this could have pushed in so much, you know. Aside that. I think it's alright.
It's good man.
Yeah, man, I don't find piece of that now. So I move down to that side now. Supposed to still in us. There it is.
Man.
How did this? Are you? Father.
And then make that it's a fix.
Water can go back up that tank. Normally go up in there?
I mean, normally full to the water from up the road.
Oh.
But can't put water in it because
It's in this.
yeah.
No, that's it. I did it.
Yeah, man.
Now the sandpaper is that blade and crack. I lazy plumber and my peeps. And now I could all like tool. But can't work still, you know. No matter how far. I saw some guys cut off everything with peeps. I have enough pipe. Yeah, man. So I'll put on this pipe stop on, off.
Side where
I make it stay on so the breeze can blow through and dry it quickly. Yes, peeps, today I find it, you know. It's a jack of all trade. Bella, big up yourself, you know, my girl. Colors me TV, Mark Brown the artist, father and son, Jamaica shore fishing, seafood and drinks. Yes, I. That is it, man. Cabo, big up yourself, you know. Always, yeah, my queen. And big up yourself straight, man. Ah. Cabo with that say, cut tie. Put it on tight. Hard.
hello, Sensei Oreo. Sensei Tetsuro.
Wow, sensei a teacher. Alright, so now I just cut off piece of this. Put the finger behind the blade. Brace it. Keep steady, huh? Straight cut. And the finger right here is now get the straight cut. So right here you need another couple. So a couple up, you know. I couple it up. Couple up the pipe. Yeah, man, you have male and you have female adapter. So which we cut, this is a male adapter, the one that is screwing, which is this one is a female adapter. A male and female and everything in our life. It's a law, you know?
Yeah.
It's a law that should not be broken. That is it, man. Learn these things and the work around the yard of my father. Cause my father used to do every little thing around the yard. He normally carry work man at the yard to do work.
I seem to be missing now.
Oh,
Electrical work, plumbing work, mason work, carpenter work. Yeah, man, everything I do.
yeah, man.
And if I automotive, yeah, electrician, electrical body work, paint work, The only thing I not follow on the rebuilding of engine, but the service leak the same here.
Right now, people, so this is it. So I want to put in this. So, you know, measure it up. I know the part where it go. I know it's right there, so just cut that. Time again for Tangic adhesive, PVC adhesive. Alright, so you lift the pipe, you put it down, and just rack in. That rack in, you that.
You know what I do?
Cock it up.
I give them pliers.
Yeah?
The hose screw under the pipe cap so.
Screw it off?
It not put on properly, so when the water turn on, it spills at the side.
Yeah. Alright, that is it, peeps. So I pick up the garbage. All of the things that we use and the waste. First, the good things them. Pack up. We never have to use all of them. Come to the tank out there, so you need something? Need a help or something?
No, I think I'll lock off the
This is a yellow ginger, you know. Get repeat, but I'll do it on a dark night. Yellow ginger, or golden thread, or stiff cock. Those are the names, sorry, in Jamaica. Boiling roots, strengthen the back and the hen stuff, which is the cock, you know.
rooster stuff, you know.
Rooster's cock, ne? So, that. I'll come around and pick up some more stuff. Some more waste so we cut off, and we don't need the female and the male. Rest them as a few time being until we put them in the garbage. Then let me show you now what we have done. So we put a lock off here, a couple here, a T right here, and another couple here. Yeah man, let me check the line now and see if you really need anything else right here. Oh, a lock off here kind of spoil. Yes sir? You want to change it? Change it. Which part? So, alright. Pipe across was a cross thread on my pipe, so. I try to take it off. But you know, say I tighten it up on it. Yes sir. Space, you have to tighten it for loosen it. You ever hear that you want to pull something? You have to tighten it. You have to tighten it for it get loose. Yeah man. So you get loose, you know. Yeah, so I need to wash out the pipe, you know. I'm going to turn on the pipe around some peeps and make it flow water through it there. Alright, watch me now. I'm in the darkest cave. A man say I'm dark like the cave. Yeah man. Go around one part there. Yeah man. Turn on the water back, you know. Yeah man, cooler. This space made the water from way around, so see it there forward. Yeah, it's a flush the system now. And I build up back. And I run go up there so. And I bounce back. Eh? No man. So me now I'm gonna do another tricks. Lock it off. Make it build up a little bit, you know? Turn it on now. Hey, water gone. Come in, water. Blow.
Water pressure low man. Okay, the tank on the south.
The water pressure low, alright. That is it. So water there still no peep, so you know. Nah, if you have the stick plug in there, so I get everything sorted out. Yeah man, that is nice. I feel happy now, you know. Peeps, this is the mulberry tree, you know. To build out, you know. Big. And then we go back up program on it. Pick them the mark, you know. I need the fruits in them body. Alright, rat eat that one, the rat. Rat eat out both of them peeps, see, eh? Rat name them out. Must find one nice one, you know? Yeah. And the peeps. Yeah, the mulberry tree gone up there. There's no house, yeah, fruit here, some fruit here. Mulberry, you know? Yeah, man. You need to build out and clean out. So it bear properly. And grow properly. I have more fruits. Yeah, look there. Hit that with peeps. Gone up there, so. Mulberry, you know? Yeah, big root. See there. Job accomplished, you know, some feel good. So that's just a part of my 1K celebration, just helping others, you know. Others help me, some helping others. Yeah man, that is great. I love help people, you know. Yeah man, that is it man. So I see it now, so the pipe finish up. Nice and done. Yes people, so thank you very much for tuning in. Thanks for like, share, subscribe, comment. Everything is appreciated, and one love, water and a pipe, you know. It just so the pipe has some going to some other tanks. It take long to build up back right here. So later, good, him just turn on, you know. Yeah, man, that is it. So subscribe and do everything. Watch the ads in the videos, my peeps. Yeah, my peeps. So take it easy. So hear what now? You're going to do your best, be the best to be the best. One love, you know. Big up everyone out there. And keep supporting. I will keep supporting you too. Big up. One love out.